Hello! I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm so excited. This is the first time I've been able to stream since a while, but also since getting these figures. And we're gonna open them up right now. And I am so excited. I'm so excited. Wow! Hi everybody. Wow, it's me! Oh my god. Cop the fit. Cop the fit. What do you guys think? My fucking hoodie. And my hot girl pants that you guys can't see yet. Yeah, I got my little rinky-dink setup here with my iPad. So we're gonna have a good time. Let me go get the box. You ready? You guys ready to see how big this shit is? Here we go. Here they are. Here they are. A little bit of background. I have two figures in this box. Two scale figures. I think they're both 1/7. I don't know. They might be 1/8. I have no idea. Oh, thank you. Thank you, 10. My drip is immaculate. These guys are both, I think, 1/7. We'll check. We'll check when I open them up again. I got them from Buyee, and both of the figures in here run for like, one runs for like $300, $400 on eBay. The other runs close to $1,000, and I got them both for like 400 bucks, including shipping, and you know, I'm winning. Yeah. I got them from Buyee for like super cheap. One was only $120, the other was $240, and then it was $100 to ship them both, straight from Japan. So pretty good deal if I do say so myself. Two figures are in here. They're both very expensive because they're old as shit. One was an exclusive figure that's probably not going to get rerun or sold again ever, especially because the series is kind of dead at this point. So yeah, but I'll talk more about them when we open them up because I'm excited. I got them on like Tuesday, and they've been sitting in this box ever since like Tuesday morning because I've been waiting to open them on stream, and this box has been actually haunting me. So yeah, let's go ahead and get them open. Bust them open. Bust a nut. That's what I'm gonna do in about 10 fucking seconds. Alright. I'm scared. This is also considered a Buyee review too. I also don't have box cutters because I'm poor. I can't get it open. There we go. Oh! I see something. Oh my god. Ooh. What is that? I was like, this doesn't look like a figure box. Which one of these figures is... Okay. Somebody in this box is really fucking big. We're gonna start with the tiny one. Yeah, they put it in a mineral water box. That's so funny. I know who's in this one. I know who's in this one, so we're not gonna open this one because this is the one that I'm really looking forward to. So we're gonna save the best for last. Look at this fucking thing. You guys can't even see it. This is like the size of my torso. It's like the whole fucking half my size. And I know I'm not that tall, but god damn. I don't know why I bought them, to be perfectly honest with you. This is the really expensive one that goes for close to $1,000 on eBay. Just to prepare you guys. Whoa. There he is. Alright, we also have to make sure that he's not a bootleg and I didn't get scammed by Japanese people on Yahoo Auction Japan. Now I have too many boxes that I know what to do with. But there he is! You can kind of see him. It's Conda! It's Conda from The Gray Man! Condom from The Gay Man! There he is! You can't see him at all! It actually looks... Wow! I Oh my god. I'm on cloud 9 right now. It's only gonna get better. I do not give two shits about boxes, by the way. I'm not a box collector. And if I wasn't moving around all the damn time, I would get rid of all my boxes. However, if I ever have to sell any figures, Conda's the first one I'm gonna frickin' sell, so his box, I'm gonna try and be a little nice to it. Conda's the first one to go if I ever need to downsize. Cause he's probably one of my least favorite degrading characters. OMG Sasuke! Sasuke from Naruto. Get out of the way. Woo! Yeah, literally. He's not my least favorite. I lied. Honestly, Lena Lee is probably my least favorite. I don't like her. But I gotta get the Trigo. I think I would like him more if he wasn't a fucking jackass, but he gets better, I guess. I like his backstory. Or like something. I'm just kidding. I don't hate Conda. If I hated him, if I truly hated him, I would not spend $300 to get him to me. Let's put it that way. Hope you guys like this ASMR. I'm scared to pick him up. I'm scared to touch him. I don't want him to break. Well, there's his stand. It's very cool. It jiggles. Why is it jiggling? It jiggles. What the fuck? I don't want to keep jiggling it, but it's like... Ooh. 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 That scares me. I'm gonna stop doing that. Well, at least I know he's real. So I didn't get scammed. So, yay me. Can't wait for my fucking mom to walk in here and be like, what the fuck are you doing? Blech. This emo boy. Bitch. Blech. Beautiful. There he is. He also has an extra face where he's angry. But I'm probably not gonna put this one on him because number one, I don't want to fuck him up. And number two, I think he looks better when he smiles. I just have to take in the fact that I own a very nice scale figure finally. Alright, well there's Condom. But yeah, there he is. So we'll just put him off to the side. Right here, he can watch as we open up the real prize of this unboxing. The real prize. The mineral water. Are you guys ready? Oh, I see her. There she is. There she is. It's Gumi. Yay. Oh my god. I love her so much. Gumi is my favorite Vocaloid, and in my opinion, she's better than Miku. This was an impulse purchase, and I didn't really think before I bought her. I just saw her, and I saw the $100 buyout price, and I was like, shit. Don't mind if I do. Oh, oh my god. Now one thing I am a little worried about is, so she came out in like the early like 2010s, and this particular Gumi has not been opened once. This is the first time she's ever being opened. So I'm a little worried about her being sticky. It didn't look like in the photos that she was, and looking at her now, she doesn't look like she's sticky. But I am very concerned about it. I'm very concerned about her actually being sticky, so hope and pray, kids, that she's not, because I don't really want to give her a bath. She's not sticky! Oh, success, bitch! It's okay, there she is! There's my girl! My skrunkle! My goyle! Come on, gimme. What? Me when I put her on her base and I hear something break. It looks fine. She was also pretty cheap. This is not my favorite Gumi figure. She's my second favorite one. My actual favorite is, I think I said this already, the other aquamarine one with her in the green bikini with her titties out. That's my favorite one. And that one is like $700 minimum. I hate scalpers with a passion. Especially now that I'm into figure collecting. Because, like, in what fucking world is a $100 figure worth fucking $1,000? Like, it's actually fucking stupid. That's dumb. But whatever. There she is. And I'm glad she's not sticky. I know she'll never be sticky because I'm a good figure owner and I keep my figures out of the box because I'm not fucking insane. Look how small she is compared to Conda. Look how tiny. It's like half his size. Well, here's today's haul. here's the haul, the moves, everybody. Here's what we got going for us right now. What? And here's the mess we've made. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with any of these boxes that Buyee gave me. But yeah, I mean, yeah. Buyee review. Very satisfied with both of these guys. They were a little expensive, kind of. Shipping prices have gone up, but they were about what I expected to pay anyway, so I'm not too, like, pressed about it. And I had the money, so. Yeah, now we just wait for Hoshiguma. But yeah, I have no fucking clue what I'm gonna do with this giant-ass box they sent me and these other two giant-ass boxes that they put these guys in. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with the actual figure boxes, but I've got them. I'll figure it out. Yeah. That's pretty much it. We did it, baby.